As of May 2023, reports indicate that there are approximately 110 million refugees and internally displaced individuals globally, surpassing the entire population of Germany. In response to this significant challenge, companies worldwide are actively working on providing reasonably comfortable accommodations for such a large number of people. One notable solution comes in the form of these foldable shelters. Combining the versatility of tents with the durability of camping trailers, these shelters can be set up in just 11 minutes without the need for tools. Impressively, they can comfortably house up to 8 people and can adapt to various purposes, serving as medical centers or storage spaces. In a commendable initiative, for every 11 shelters sold, the manufacturer donates one to refugee camps around the world. Alaska Defense is renowned for producing comprehensive tent camps, utilized not only by the U.S. military but also by NATO forces and international groups. What sets Alaska Defense tents apart is their remarkable adaptability, making them suitable for both military and civilian applications. These tents can be configured as mobile repair bases, hospitals, kitchens, temporary shelters, and even airplane hangars. With widths ranging from 2.4 to 46 meters, and the ability to customize length, these tents accommodate anywhere from 50 to 5,000 people. Designed for durability, they have a lifespan of approximately 10 years in the field and can be stored for up to 20 years. Alaska Defense also provides all necessary equipment, including heaters and power systems. This innovative dome is crafted to turn your garden into a contemporary paradise, as claimed by the manufacturers. Let's delve into the specifics. The dome spans 9.6 square meters and comfortably accommodates up to 12 people. Constructed from highly durable polycarbonate, boasting a strength 200 times greater than glass. The intelligent design of the dome ensures protection against snow, rain, and winds up to 100 kilometers per hour. Built to endure over 10 years, its appearance is maintained through UV-protected polycarbonate panels. Setting up the dome is a DIY task, taking about 4 hours with all necessary assembly tools provided. Maintenance is hassle-free, requiring periodic watering and a wipe with a hose. The price for this exceptional dome is approximately $1,200. Meanwhile, the team at Office San Stefanuto in Italy is pursuing a similar path, with their expandable trailer that can increase its size by half. Ideal for brief meetings or serving as a comfortable office for small remote teams, the trailer comes complete with a sink, a shower, and a toilet. It also provides room for office equipment such as printers, allowing up to 5 people to work comfortably within its confines. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations employs these specially designed hangars for aircraft and helicopter repairs. This substantial structure, measuring 40 by 45 by 22 meters in this version, offers ample space, even accommodating a UN-74 airplane. While the setup of this hangar requires a solid 80 hours, it is equipped with pneumatic gates measuring 37 by 13 meters, along with heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system. The manufacturing company is adaptable and capable of constructing hangars for various purposes and in different configurations. For example, one could order a gym hangar with customizable shapes and sizes. No foundation is necessary for installation, and an automatic blower with intelligent control ensures the right pressure is maintained. Speaking of hotels, many guests staying in these establishments might be looking for food, drinks, and souvenirs. That's where the clever Hungarians come in. They've created special retail units in the form of containers that are about 6 meters long, providing enough space for multiple cooks and sellers to work comfortably. Setting up and taking down these units only takes about 10 minutes. This is hailed as the most innovative foldable container technology, courtesy of the Hungarian company that brought it to life. They have made significant strides, showcasing these containers at the 2019 World Ski Championships and successfully selling them in 18 different countries. These containers boast easy movability and unfoldability using a forklift. Once fully unfolded, the CN10 container occupies up to 7.2 square meters of space. It includes 5 220-volt outlets, LED lighting, plastic doors, and windows as standard features. Customers also have the option to add an air conditioner and a heater. For larger events, these containers can be stacked on top of each other to create a mini hotel. This new development streamlines the process of setting up a concert or outdoor event, doing away with the long hours of preparation. Now, a truck arrives at the venue and seamlessly transforms into a 105 square meter stage, all by itself. The transformation occurs automatically, needing just a few finishing touches from the workers, such as setting up monitors and spotlights or adjusting the roof's height from 4.3 to 8 meters. This implies that stage preparation can be accomplished in as little as 3 hours. This innovative product was developed in China. Next, these inflatable structures serve various purposes. Some market them as party tents, while others promote them as warehouses, retail units, or exhibition centers. However, the advantages of most models are quite similar. Firstly, they can be set up rapidly. For instance, a versatile inflatable hangar covering 134 square meters takes just about an hour to assemble. Secondly, there's no need for elaborate foundation preparations. Thirdly, these structures are suitable for various climates, with many models designed to handle temperatures ranging from -45 to +55 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, an equally intriguing and more compact solution is offered by the American company, ASTRA Stages. Installing this mobile stage takes even less time, from 45 to 60 minutes. The stage itself measures 35 square meters, making it suitable for concerts or performances. Moreover, the stage's height is adjustable, ranging from 2.7 to 3.4 meters. When not in use, it can be folded into a trailer that can easily be towed away by a pickup truck like the Ford F-150. A 296 square meter two-story home built in just 4 days? Look no further than the American company, Mighty Buildings. They make it happen using robotics and 3D printing, which is why they work more than 3 times faster than their competitors. What's more, their construction methods generate a mere 1% of the waste generated, using traditional methods. Quality is a given, since 80% of their production is automated. Plus, they're flexible with floor plans, facade textures, and house colors to match your preferences. The material they use is 5 times stronger than concrete when it comes to tension and bending, all while being 30% lighter. These houses can last over 50 years. It's no wonder Mighty Buildings has secured over $100 million in financing. The Estonian company Maru sure knows how to be creative. Imagine a versatile trailer that can triple in size. The XL version of this trailer offers a roomy 30 square meters of space that you can turn into anything from an office to a barber shop. Inside, you'll find insulation and a Mitsubishi split system, so you'll stay comfy whether it's a scorching 50 degrees Celsius or a freezing -40 degrees Celsius outside. For worry-free power, you can add solar panels. Setting up this trailer is a breeze, taking just 8 minutes. You can start it up the traditional way with a button or do it remotely from your smartphone.